To link Mendeley Reference Manager and Microsoft Word, there are two methods. The first method is to open Microsoft Word and navigate to the top right corner of the home banner, where you'll find the Add-ins option. Click on this and look for Mendeley. Then click to install it. This will add Mendeley to your Word program, and you'll be prompted to sign in with your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Once you've signed in, you'll be able to see all your references and sources from Mendeley and Word. If you don't see them, make sure to click the sync button. If the first method doesn't work, you can try the second method. Open the Mendeley application and go to the Tools option at the top. Click on the Install Mendeley site for Microsoft Word option, which will take you to a website where you can download the add-in. Click Get It Now and enter your name, surname, and other details if requested. You'll then be taken to Microsoft 365 to complete the process, where you'll need to sign in to your account. Once you've done this, you can open the add-in in Word and follow the prompts to install it. This will add the same add-in as the first method, and you'll be able to access your Mendeley references and sources in Word.